From my previous teardown video, I got a lot of frustrated comments about the rotating magnet switch. For most people, the rotating button is not working, and they are not getting the service or the magnetic switch ribbon cable to replace it. If you are the one who got a problem with this rotating switch, then I will help you to get rid of that, and make this slide switch to switch on the headphone. So let's get started. First, we have to remove the cushion, then remove the screws. Carefully lift the speaker cup. Here we can see the magnetic switch connector. Carefully remove that. No need for this ribbon cable in the future. Remove all the screws including the slide switch. Carefully remove the Bluetooth antenna from the body, which is glued. You need to desolder the slide switch from the main board. This is another board that I picked to show clearly where we have soldered the switch. Near that magnetic connector we can see a pointer. Here we need to connect the red wire of the slide switch. This is the negative point, and we need to connect the other terminal. I extended the wire to get enough length for soldering. Solder it carefully, because one wrong move will damage your headphone. Now put back the screws. You can see the lights are blinking when I slide the switch. I am adding insulation on the wire. This is important, otherwise, it will damage your headphone. Hope this video will help you. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.